means we're going on a trip.
Officially on the southeast alternate. What do you say? We test it or we just wing it? I guess we're winging it. It's not shallow. Oh, man down. How was that puddle, buddy? Let that be a lesson to everybody. Let your buddy go first.
Let's go see if we can't find the famous Rivers Bridge.
So I'm assuming there's a bridge right here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, well, I don't see a bridge.
Hilda, South Carolina. Yikes. You just doing it? He just likes getting his boots wet. Oh, fuck you, mud puddle. Come on, buddy.
Victory. We did it. Solid day of riding.
Holy shit. It's coming down now. Stopped under at this gas station to hide from the rain for a little bit. Current situation. Wet. What time is it, you ask? It's spam time. Well, we've survived the night. Should be done with the rain though. I think we're good. Looks like it passed us, so just a somewhat of a gloomy morning, and then we should be back in the sunny weather this afternoon. We might push towards Francis Marion. We might only end up at Poinsette State Park. We're not really sure, so we're gonna aim for Poinsette and see what time we get there, and if we can push further, we will. Made it to Camden. It wasn't too bad. It warmed up some. It's saying 72. Doesn't quite feel that warm, but definitely can tell that it warmed up some. Not a bad ride so far. Drizzling a little bit, but nothing too bad. Sun is poking out. Feels a lot warmer just with that little bit. Maybe we can get into some dirt as we get closer to Poinsette State Park and see if it is really sloppy, or if we can at least get a little bit of dirt in today. Even seem that wet. Which is weird for how much it rained last night and all day yesterday. Got us a campsite, got us some firewood. We'll go check it out, get set up, chill for the rest of the day. Took mostly pavement, so we got here nice and early. It's not even 1 o'clock yet. We are site 26. Let's see what we're working with. a while to get there. Pretty sweet little camper. Nice, we're kind of tucked back in here. 26. Solid little spot. I like it. This is solid. This will do for sure. Nice. Set up. We got our shit drying. Nice site at Poinsette State Park. It's nice and early, 10 to 2. We got plenty of firewood. We grabbed 2 bundles, and yeah, we're just gonna hang out, dry out at camp. Hopefully get our boots dry tonight, and then tomorrow should be a sunny day. We should finish up down the Scar back towards Charleston. Did some boiled Viennas, now we're going grilled. Some soy spam. It's looking good. Oh yeah. Grilled Viennas, what's up? Look at that. It actually looks quite good. Biscuits, sausage, gravy. Oh yeah. That is actually pretty damn good. Not mad at that at all. So it's 9 a.m. Sunday morning. Just leaving Poinsette State Park. Went to bed, it was nice and warm. Woke up to pee around 1:30. I was sweating. Then around 3:30 in the morning, the wind picked up and the temperature dropped. I looked at my phone, it was 42, feels like 36. Needless to say, it's not much warmer right now, so I don't know where this cold weather came from. I guess from that little storm, but man, it was hard to get up and get dressed this morning. We're gonna hit some of the Scar and make our way back towards Charleston. It is an absolutely gorgeous day, but man, is it cold. I was not ready for this. It was almost summer-like weather the last couple of weeks. And to have a day back in the 40s, that's South Carolina for you. Dude, that's like the third bird that almost hit Dana. The birds love them. Hey, look at that ass. Sad to say, this is the last dirt road of the trip. Coming into St. Stephen's, we're gonna eat some food. We're not gonna go in this puddle, but we're gonna eat some food and then probably break off and just head our separate ways back to our houses. A little chilly still, 54 degrees, but absolutely beautiful day. Still a fun day of riding. This is the end of our 4-day trip. We completed the southeast alternate section of the Scar, which is pretty new. And we rode the connector, which we've never ridden. And then back down the northeast section of the Scar. We're gonna skip Francis Marion, just because we've done that. We're ready to get home. But yeah, 3 days of camping, 4 good days of riding. Yesterday we didn't ride as much, just because we were wet and cold and ready to get to camp, but what are you gonna do? Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope you enjoyed me going face first into a big ass puddle. Until next time, guys, appreciate it, and thanks for watching.